Hello everyone. Welcome to Shilpi AI Podcast. Today, we are diving into a topic. How is the input tax credit fundamental to GST? The input tax credit, ITC, is the most fundamental concept under the GST law. It plays a crucial role in the functioning of the GST system. Under the GST law, every registered person is eligible to claim the credit of input tax of GST paid on goods or services or both which are used by him in the course or furtherance of business. This means that when a registered person purchases goods or services for their business, they can claim the tax paid on those purchases as a credit. This credit can then be utilized against the output tax liability of a particular tax period. The ITC is the backbone of GST because it ensures that the tax is levied only on the value that is added at each stage of the supply chain. It avoids the cascading effect of taxes, also known as tax on tax. Without the ITC mechanism, businesses would have to pay tax on the entire value of the goods or services they purchase, including the tax paid by the previous sellers. This would lead to a higher tax burden and increase the cost of doing business. The ITC also promotes transparency and accountability in the tax system. It allows businesses to claim credit for the tax paid on their purchases, which reduces their overall tax liability. This encourages businesses to comply with the GST law and ensures that the tax system is fair and equitable. However, it is important to note that there are certain conditions and restrictions for availing and utilizing the ITC. The GST law provides provisions for the apportionment of ITC in cases where the goods or services are used partly for effecting taxable supplies and partly for exempt supplies. There are also blocked credits, where the ITC is not allowed in respect of certain inward supplies of goods and services. In conclusion, the input tax credit is fundamental to GST as it allows businesses to claim credit for the tax paid on their purchases and reduces the overall tax burden. It ensures that the tax is levied only on the value that is added and promotes transparency and accountability in the tax system. Thank you for tuning with Shilpi AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep learning and stay informed.